This is the Echo1 Stag15 Commando Airsoft gun. It's a very high-class gun. It's an Echo, makes really nice guns. Good models of the gun. This is a carbine too, so it's gonna be smaller with the buttstock attached, with adjustable lengths. And it has a FPS between 370 and 390. It's really accurate too. It also has a automatic version where it shoots a lot faster. And then the clip has a wind-up capacity clip where you wind it up forward, so get more ammo into your clip. So this is the Echo1 Stag15.